Prepsters, this is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, and I'm doing another 72-hour kit, but this time these are freeze-dried meals. I will include a list below, or you can take a screenshot at the very end, but these are using Pack Fresh USA's bags. I will leave links below on the different bags that I use, but these are amazing freeze-dried meals. Believe me, you will not go hungry in a 72-hour kit for two people, not just for one, it's for two. You're going to have breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and dessert, and I will share some of the recipes as well. And I hope you have a wonderful day, but don't forget to prepare. It's really important. Minimally 72-hour kits is what the federal government recommends we have on hand for any emergency. And I'm making 3 of these up. This is my first of the freeze-dried. Well, from the Pandemic Prepsters to you, have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow.